In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best telescopes in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which telescopes is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, HEXEUM Refractor Telescope. Excellent quality optics. This telescope features a 600 mm focal length and an 80 mm aperture. The aperture is 80 mm, provide more light-filled images and multi-fully high transmission optics that enhance image clarity and brightness. Maximum magnification. Our telescope for adults and kids comes with 2 replacement high-quality eyepieces, 25 mm and 10 mm to provide 24x and 60x magnifying power. 3x Barlow lens increases the power of magnifying each eyepiece. Magnify the moon up to 180 or 72 times. In addition, the scope of 5x24 helps locate objects easily. It is portable and convenient. It comes with a phone adapter as well as an aluminum tripod that can be adjusted. Remote control wireless and a carrying bag make it easy for you to travel and take stunning photos. Simple to set up, it is designed to help you reduce your time. Even for beginners needing no tools for setting up the telescope. Easy and quick to focus. Here is the item number 4, ToyerBee Refractor Telescope. 70 mm large aperture. This telescope is outfitted with an aperture objective lens, which helps to make the images more bright and more clear. The larger the aperture, the wider the field of view will be. This means you'll see sharper images. A professional telescope will help kids and adults see the moon and planets. 15x 150x magnification. The refractor telescope we have is outfitted with 2 eyes, H20mm and H6mm, as well as the 3-fold Barlow lens. Its 3x Barlow lens doubles the power of magnifying each eyepiece. You can therefore get a magnification of 15x 150x. When it comes to watching stars and moons at night or studying planets, using this ToyerBee telescope will be your perfect helper for adults and kids, and astronomy novices. Adjustable tripod. With the ability to adjust our tripods, we can make sure that our telescope's height is adjustable between 16 and 46. This allows it to adapt to various view locations. It's also handy to take it with you on trips and travel. Wireless remote. ToyerBee telescope kit includes an adapter for your smartphone and a wireless camera remote that lets you discover the beauty of the world through the display. It is possible to take amazing pictures to share with your acquaintances. The telescope makes an excellent present for astronomy amateur astronomers and children aged 8 to 12. The eyepiece's focal length, when combined with the length of the lens, determines the power of magnification. To determine the strength of your telescope with the specific eyepiece, just divide the focal length of the telescope by 300 mm with the diameter of your eyepiece. The item number 3, HEXEUM Refractor Telescope. High-quality optics. This telescope features a 500 mm focal length and 70 mm aperture. It provides breathtaking views and also protects your eyes. The high-magnification telescope designed for children and adults comes with 2 high-quality eyepieces, 25 mm and 10 mm, as well as 3 times Barlow lens. It amplifies the power of magnifying each eyepiece. With a 5x24 finder scope, you can also make finding objects easy. Convenient and portable, comes with a phone adapter as well as an aluminum tripod that can be adjusted. Wireless remote control, as well as a carry bag help make you go on the move and snap incredible photographs. Excellent gift ideas. The telescope makes a great present or birthday present for children or astronomers who are just beginning their journey. It encourages them to become interested in science and astronomy, discover the undiscovered, enjoy nature, and get away from the screens. The astronomy journey of the kids begins here. We think that everyone would like to discover what they can see beyond the physical. Therefore, we set out to achieve this objective. Created more optical equipment for everyone who is a hobbyist. Our range of products includes binoculars to night vision glasses. They are also portable and simple to use. For better exploration and discoveries. We'd like to see it further and more clearly. Continuously improving our products. We will also launch new and improved products. Number 2 in our list, Celestron Refractor Telescope. Superior Optics Celestron 70mm travel scope features premium, fully coated glass optics, a powerful 70mm lens for the objective, a light frame, and a customized backpack to transport it all. The quality is unparalleled in its class, and also in comparison to other brands. Eyepieces that are powerful for viewing up close. The telescope we offer for beginners in astronomy comes with 2 eyepieces of high quality, 20mm and 10mm, which offer high power and low power views of celestial bodies at night as well as terrestrial objects during the day. The large objective lens of 70mm, our refractor telescope, comes equipped with a wide 70mm aperture lens that offers brighter, more luminous perspectives compared to the 50mm model while adding the smallest amount of weight. The process of setting up and using it with the travel scope is quick and simple. A bonus bag and tripod and software. The Celestron telescope and tripod with full height can be transported anywhere using the travel backpack included. The accessories also come with a free download from one of the most highly reviewed astronomy software programs. Created with American technology for beginners to stars, this Celestron TravelScope 70 is an engineered refractor telescope, which is ideal for viewing terrestrial or celestial at the go. It's the ideal telescope for kids and adults to use thanks to its coated, high-quality glass optics, which include a 70mm objective lens in refractor style. The top one in our list, Gskyer Refracting Telescope. Quality optics, high-quality optics, 70mm aperture. Fully coated optics glasses with high transmission coatings produce stunning images and protects your eyes. A perfect telescope for those who wish to study the moon and stars. Magnification comes with 2 replacement eyepieces and a 3-fold Barlow lens. 0.3x Barlow lens trebles the power of magnifying each eyepiece. Finder scope 5x24, equipped with a mounting bracket as well as crosshair lines, allows you to locate objects quickly. Wireless remote. The free package includes an intelligent phone adapter and one wireless camera remote that lets you explore the world effortlessly by using the screen. You can also take stunning celestial photos. An adjustable tripod can be used from a variety of angles of view. It comes with a flexible aluminum alloy tripod. It also comes with a carrying bag. The telescope and tripod can be tucked away in the bag to make it easy for travel and storage. In the beginning, stargazing for the first time is an intimidating experience. A complicated telescope, obscure features, and confusing equipment can make starting harder. An equilibrium between cost and high performance is among the most crucial aspects to consider before buying any telescope. This Gskyer Instruments Infinity 70mm telescope does precisely that. It is a reasonable price for a quality telescope. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best telescopes amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.